I can get up the stairs.
Jacob, you do not this.
Make her sit.
Sit. Sit.
You don't even have to tell her. She'll just sit, usually. She does it for me.
Sit.
Put it over her head more.
Don't let him see that. It's chicken.
Who?
The shelter.
One piece of chicken isn't gonna hurt her.
Come on.
She's fat though. She doesn't need that much.
Okay, that's it, honey.
You should take one to get her up the stairs. I think she's too fat.
Come on. She doesn't know what stairs is.
She's gonna lose some weight. You want me to give her a bath? Turn the light on.
Oh, you're so gentle.
Let's switch.
No,
It's not plugged in.
you're so gentle. That's all I got.